Hey guys, and I'm going to show you a 5-day-old German Shepherd. It's really small. He's only 5 days old, so he didn't open his eyes yet. This is like, in my opinion, this is weird because the dog weighs about 8 pounds and it's 5 days old. I don't get that. It's really heavy. It's really huge. He is both. His parents are both normal German Shepherds. They're on Calkin or something. Calkin, I don't know. The one thing that makes me sad, we had two puppies, but one, I'm not sure, but our dog didn't come late. This was our first time in that, right? So we went to the doctor, and then he gave some type of an injection, like to that little dog, because that dog, it finally came out, and he gave an injection, and then he was like, everything is going to be all right, and then 2 days later the dog died, and that makes me really sad. This is just 5 days old. He's cute. When he was born, he had the fur. He had fur. He's really sad. So yeah.